What's going on with Beyond Meat? Beyond Meat, we got a support over the 58, guys, and really good support that we should hold for today. 4%, even though the market is turning a bit red for today, but Beyond Meat found a bit of bottom around the 58, and we have a little bit of reversal after the major pullback that we got back here on the third at the end of last month. So we have to discuss price action for Beyond Meat, guys. Are we gonna have a reaction? Are we gonna have a retest at least for the 66 or not? Before we go further, remember our content always for education purposes only. So as you can see, guys, Beyond Meat is still have a struggle to go up for today. The good thing is we're still up 4%, even though the market is a bit bearish at the market open. We don't have a huge pullback at the market open. We're still holding the gain. The other thing that I'm still worried about is the seller that they added their position around the 73. As you see, guys, last time we discussed Beyond Meat was on February. We said this is where the short seller added their position around the $1. Then we have some kind of news about the reverse split to bring the price. The SEC always notice give a notice for any stock go below the $1 over 1 month. That's why we have another selling pressure here around the 73, and the price is still pulling back, and the short sellers is still not closing their position because they are still in green and confident that the price is still will not shift up because we don't have a good news yet. However, could change, guys, if we broke the 73 right now. We have another level that we discuss is the 66. We said this is the level that we might test and give us a pre-signaling that Beyond Meat started to move, because right now we still have a support which is over the 58. We said the other support is over the 50, which is psychological level. But if we held the 58 and we break the 66, this will be pre-signaling that Beyond Meat started to move up. We're going to discuss, of course, on our Discord minute by minute, second by second, if we broke those levels. Today, we got a really good play for mini stocks. We don't just discuss Beyond Meat, guys. As a reminder, today we did a really good play on W buy. We suggest for exiting around the 163. This stock went down after that. We discuss the other one, air, that was really good for reversal and jumping up. We got this one, pink, as well. It was really good. We always discuss those stocks before the jump and before the squeeze, or after the squeeze, to discuss the exits or taking profit for those stocks. The link comment section below or description below if you want to join our other channel. And of course, knowing the level before the jump or before the selling pressure starting.